I'm Esther Bonney with Nurture Natives.
And I'm Sam Rutherford with Nurture Natives.
Today we presented at the Leonardtown Library in St. Mary's County, Maryland, and we hosted a presentation on biodiversity, pollination, pollinators, native species versus invasive species, and kind of a crash course on those environmental topics.
We had an audience who was super engaged, and they had a lot of really good questions to ask us about the difference between non-native and invasive species and what their impact on our ecosystem is. That got us to a really beneficial discussion about honeybees and whether or not they should be considered a native pollinator or be invasive, which we concluded that although they may be non-native, they do have a lot of very helpful aspects that help us a lot with our agriculture and ecosystem.
Education is a core component of Nurture Natives. For the past 2 years, we have traveled around Maryland hosting educational programs to various age groups, various audiences, at libraries, community centers, and schools. If you or a youth you know is between the ages of 10 to 18, then please reach out to us at nurturenatives.org and follow us on Nurture Natives at Facebook to keep up with our journey or join our team. Thank you.
Go Nurture Natives!